every time that we've been around here, I'm hearing honkings and beeping. And apparently,
like that?
yeah. I see these pedestrians, I see them walking. Even if they don't have the right of way and a car hits them, what rights does that injured person have?
They still have the rights to not be hit by a car in the street.
Yeah.
So even though the driver of the car could still make a deal about the fact that the pedestrian just walked right in front of them. But at the end of the day, the person in the car is going to be able to be the one that do the most damage, and they should be aware of their surroundings. And if they see a person in front of them, they had reason to see them, and they had the ability to stop, they're still going to get in trouble if they ran over the pedestrian, even though the pedestrian maybe didn't have the right of way.
So that pedestrian then would have rights to damages such as pain and suffering.
Correct. They can make a personal injury case against the driver for pain, suffering, for medical damages, medical bills. PI would be available still to them. However, it's interesting because let's say it's a dark night. Boston would be a bad example because there are a lot of lights, a lot of people, a lot of stuff going on. I think drivers should expect that people are going to walk out in front of them. But let's say it was a situation where the driver didn't have the opportunity to stop, didn't have the opportunity to see the person. There could be some arguments there about whether, I guess, they'd still be in trouble. They could still be sued, but there could be some other factors that go into play there, especially on the criminal aspect of it. That's the one thing that not only are these open to a civil case, personal injury, but the person that is in the car driving could be subject to criminal prosecution for hitting somebody.
There you go. Thanks, Sherry.
Yeah. Oh, and P.S. We also learned that these lovely beeping sounds that we're hearing in the background is the
state
anthem. Or maybe even the city anthem of Boston, where everybody is honking their horns at you. And, there we go. Thank you.
There you go.